We really need to work hard at that, and we'll ask Congress to help with that.
Well, folks, 3 months, first of all, a month after President Donald Trump asked all U.S. attorneys to resign, what's going on? Jeff Sessions, they haven't nominated anybody to replace those outgoing U.S. attorneys. Joining us right now is Glenn Ivey, former federal prosecutor. Hey, Glenn, I got to ask you this. What the hell? I mean, why do you ask your top lawyers to quit and you got nobody to replace them with?
Well, you know, it's pretty bizarre, but it's not unique to the Department of Justice. I think Trump's administration is having problems with filling positions across the board, even ones they came in saying they wanted to fill quickly, like some of the judicial nominations, for example. So other than the Supreme Court and the cabinet level positions, even immediate sub-cabinet level deputies, deputy at the Department of Justice, for example, they've nominated somebody, but they haven't filled it yet. So he's just been slow on this.
So first of all, what happens when you don't have the U.S. attorneys? What, do you have career lawyers who just run the place?
Yeah.
And what happens? And what happens to cases?
Yeah, I mean, generally speaking, most of the cases would just keep moving through. U.S. attorneys tend to handle criminal cases by and large. The key points, though, are administrative changes and policy tend to get delayed. So big shifts, for example, from immigration prosecutions and some of the focuses like on gun prosecutions and the like have been delayed. Some of the bigger changes, though, that Sessions has brought in, a lot of the agreements that Holder and Lynch reached with police departments, for example. They had a big fight about the one in Baltimore. That one was far enough along that it still got through. But I think there are going to be some others that either get delayed or just completely preempted. So those are the types of changes.
You also don't have the Assistant Attorney General for the DOJ's Civil Rights Division, Criminal or National Security Divisions. And so, again, clearly, the Trump administration, we're not ready for prime time when it comes to actually running the government.
Yeah, it probably would have made sense to not ask all of them to turn in their resignations necessarily. It's happened in the past, but I think Bush II and President Obama took a different approach. And given the fact that he's having trouble filling the administration as quickly in general, probably would have made sense to delay that approach and leave them in place.
All right, Glenn Ivey, we certainly appreciate it, man. Thank you so very much, former federal prosecutor, and of course a partner with the Leverage firm. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
A peaceful protest turned deadly. 37-year-old black man was shot and killed by Baton Rouge police. His hands are in the air, and you still get shot by the cops.
Oh my God, please don't tell me he's dead.
We're not gonna let hate define us.
Race is a big part of this.
If truly all lives matter, then all lives need to matter equally.
What we require is action. What we require is accountability. We understand that black lives do matter, and we will keep focused on this issue.
NewsOne Now, every weekday morning at 7 on TV1.